Of our automatic changeover with remote control. How does this work? If you need to put on your generator right from your room, all you need is to press this remote control. One touch on it, the generator comes on and the changeover engages generator automatically. On restoration of power, the changeover also engages NEPA automatically and shut down the generator automatically. Now let's do a brief demonstration of this and see how it works. One touch on the remote, the generator comes on. Then after 10 seconds, it engages gen automatically. Please let's observe. As you can see, now what happened on restoration of power? On restoration of power, the changeover engages NEPA automatically and shut down the generator automatically. Let me bring on NEPA. As you can see, so this is exactly how the systems work.